When I tell people what I'm doing for the summer, they're so shocked and excited because people know this place and they love this place.
The Arboretum is special in that these specimens and areas that you're working in are some of the most unique in the world.
The Hunnewell Internship is a summer program geared towards horticultural students who want to make a career in either public gardens or arboreta.
They have 4 different concentrations that they can choose from in order to focus for the summer. You can focus in being a climbing arborist, working with curation department in our plant records, working with plant production, learning about our young specimens before they get planted out into the grounds, or working with our horticulture team, working in the landscape with the mature specimens.
Arboriculture is basically tree work and care of trees. Because we're working in an arboretum specifically, you need a dedicated team. And so a lot of that ends up being aerial tree work, like going up in the lift, heavy chainsaw use, and then climbing as well, which is sort of indescribable to be up 100 feet in a tree and doing what needs to be done. I love the arborist crew and how supportive they've been in shepherding me into this world.
Not only are we getting part of our week as fieldwork days, where we're out with the horticulturalists in the collections doing landscape management, there's always some sort of workshop or lesson component to the internship. That's when all 10 of us are together and we're able to learn about a subject that's more specific.
They also have a group project that they work on together, and it's something that's really important for the Arboretum. That's the problem that we want to solve.
So our project focuses on Peter's Hill. There's a massive desire path or footpath that has been created over the course of about 100 years that people have been going straight up the hill and right through the meadow.
A lot of wildlife that might otherwise use that meadow won't, because when they're viewing it from above, they perceive it as 2 separate meadow spaces that are too small, and they deem that unsafe.
And our main task is to remediate that scar.
And you'll get more critters visiting this meadow, which is an amazing thing to see.
I really hope to expose them to as many different possible career paths, tools, techniques, and really help them figure out what they want to do with their life.
This has definitely developed my love for public horticulture. I'm about 3 years out of college now. I knew that I still had more learning to do and more growing to do. So this internship being open to sort of not only undergrads, but also postgrads and young professionals, that was really, really attractive to me.
I hope they make changes, whether it's improving the landscape or improving the plant collections of the places they go.
I feel so lucky and so grateful to be doing this internship, specifically in something I love in arboriculture at the Arnold Arboretum. It feels like an unbelievable and unparalleled experience, and this is the most incredible place to be able to do that.